How to measure and install a hinged out-swinging insect screen door to a timber rebated door jamb. Note the color, location, and style of the doorway. Check the pre-existing door handle projection. Compare this with the door jamb width to ensure there is enough clearance between the wood door handle and the door frame of the insect screen. Measure the widths from the door jamb rebate to the opposite side. We always measure the top, middle, and bottom widths. The top opening measurement was 826 mm, the middle 823 mm, and the bottom 825 mm. We typically deduct 8 mm from the width measurements for the wood door jambs, the ordering portal manufacture size. Because the fly screen door critical measurement is the middle width, when you have an out-of-square door, you can adjust the deductions for the top and bottom. We suggest making the door squarer than the opening sizes. Measure the opening height from the door jamb to the bottom sill. All these drops are equal, measuring 2045 mm. Deduct 10 mm for an ordering size of 2035 mm. In this installation, we predetermine the height of the lock to 1100 mm from the sill to the bottom of the lock body. Install the door. Install the stick-on pile in the door rebate. This pile helps to seal up the door and reduces closing noise. Lift the door into place and fix off the hinges, middle hole only. Test the squareness. Adjust if necessary with hinge packers, and when square, you can fix off the remaining hinge screws. Fix the lock to the door, then close the door and mark the tongue striker position. Fix off the striker plate to the jamb with screws. Before drilling for the tongue, measure your drill bit and mark with a Sharpie against the jamb width. Drill carefully to cut out the tongue hole. Use a sharp chisel to finish the tongue hole. Tip: mark the chisel depth with a pencil to avoid going through the wood door jamb. When completed, test the lock. Install the door closer, check out our other video, and finish the installation installing the bug strip. Congratulations! Do you want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Contact us for more information.